Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And if you're new or just stopping by, I'm a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, I wanted to show you guys my Grove Collaborative haul and review. So if you don't know about Grove Collaborative, this will be your first look. Basically, it's a company where you can get non-toxic, cruelty-free, plant-based products for a monthly subscription and annual package. So what they offer are certain deals, freebies. This one that I got that made me want to purchase is I got some free products and I only had to spend about maybe $20. So why not get some products that I normally spend in the store and get some free ones? Like why not? So I want you guys to check out what I got and the free products, and we'll see what you guys think and if you want to join as well. So I just got the box like a few days ago, and I was like, you know what? Let me share with y'all. So let me take this paper out. Literally all I did was cut it open and share with y'all. I'm gonna take this paper out, put that aside. I love the little note that they left. You make a difference, Shaveria. So if you don't know, my name is Shaveria, but everybody calls me Shay. So we got a little paper. We're so happy you're here. Okay. So look for a reminder next month. Customize your cart, explore healthy favorites, and we'll suggest an order date. So basically you get to pick the date that you want for the following month, and then you make that payment. And I think you also make a yearly annual subscription as well to be a part of the Grove Collaborative team. So again, if you want to be a part of them, they offer, again, healthy, all natural products. They even have their own products. But like I said, I was going to buy my normal products, so why not get some free stuff in addition? So here we got the Method. Y'all already know, if y'all watched any of my other videos, I love Methods. So this is the Method and a Back toilet cleaner. It is for the toilet bowl, toilet seat, under the rim. It cleans, sanitizes, disinfects, storage, disposal. It's antibacterial, 99% household germs. It kills. And of course, you know, it's vegan, cruelty-free, all that great stuff. Next, we have, again, the lovely Methods Anti-Bac. This is the bamboo scent, y'all. This smells amazing. It's for your kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans. It's the germ buster. Of course, it kills 99% of your household germs. And of course, it's vegan and all that good stuff, cruelty-free. I'm trying to show you the label. Oh, there we go. Again, this is amazing. All right. Next, we have the lovely Myers dish soap. This is yet another great particular brand. This flavor is lavender. This smells amazing too on your dishes. Again, this is plant-derived essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and it's made without parabens and artificial colors. Myers is a great brand to get as well. All right, next we got the Myers room spray. So normally I don't use, aerosol sprays. I usually just use essential oils with diffusers. So I wanted to try this out because it's, natural and healthy. So why not? So it's without parabens, artificial colors, phthalates, and propellants. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out and let y'all know what I think later on in another video. This is the honeysuckle scent. So again, how you? Okay, there we go. Ooh, it actually smells really good. Oh yes, no aerosol. Check it out, y'all. All right. So another thing that I got, again, I love Myers, is the hand soap lavender. This is one of my favorite hand soaps, is the Meyer lavender, and is made with plant-derived essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, olive oil, and of course without parabens, phthalates, and artificial colors. So check out this hand soap, y'all, and yeah, you'll thank me. All right, so another thing that I did purchase, and I think everything else after that was free. Of course, you know I had to get my Hello toothpaste. This is my favorite. Again, if you haven't seen my other video, y'all should know this is my favorite toothpaste. Of course, it is hemp seed oil, coconut oil, whitens naturally, no fluoride, and of course there's no peroxide, no artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, parabens, fluoride, SLS, sulfates, microbeads, gluten, or dairy. So again, if you didn't check out my other video and if you haven't purchased this toothpaste, go get you some, or subscribe with Grove Collaborative and order and have it shipped to your door. So I think, yeah, and on to the free stuff. So like I said, I bought it because why not get some free stuff and try out some things? Because I wanted to try out the bamboo toilet paper, and what better way not to try it out when it's free? So this is supposed to be 100% bamboo, tree free. We're trying to save some trees out there, okay? Their Seedling Promise brand. So look at this and see how soft it compares to the regular toothpaste. The regular toilet paper. Ooh. Oh, y'all. It feels really good, and it's bamboo. So, yeah. I'm excited to try out the bamboo toilet paper. All right, let's see what else we got for free. Let's see. This is also bamboo. This is the Kleenexes. Again, it's tree-free. 100% bamboo. And I'm assuming it feels just like the other one. I'm not going to open it up right now, but I'll let y'all know what I think when I do use these. So, free product. All right, let's see what we got next. Is the certified compostable cleaning wipes, again by Seedling by Grove. They are also bamboo, absorb 5 times as much as CO2 as trees, no pesticides, and bamboo is ready for harvesting in little as 3 months, while trees take 20 years. Oh my God. So I'm gonna let y'all know what I think of these. These are also bamboo, so if the toilet paper feels like it does, these should feel great as well. So next, we have the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Of course, they're probably recyclable. Yes. Made with ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. So I'll let you know what I think once I use these to, see how they compare to the other brands that are in the market. They should be just as good. And last but not least, my last free item is the soap dispenser with dish brush set. Ooh, it is so nice. It is made of bamboo, ceramic, and recycled plastic. So let's take a look. Ooh, it's got the little Grove Collaborative little logo thing on the top, little brush with a little, container. Okay, I see y'all, Grove. So yeah, for those who still wash dishes, a lot of people using the dishwasher, but this right here is so cute. I love all this free stuff. I mean, like I said, I only spent like $20 and I got I think they said $30 to $40 value of all this free stuff. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys liked all this product, again, if you want to switch over and use more natural products, all this stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Let me know if you guys join or not. Thank you again.